We are out today. We're early set-ins because it's 4 o'clock literally right now. Boy, babe, see we reach 4 o'clock. Yeah, so we're at this place called 876 Terrace Bar and Grill in Portmore. There's also one in Kingston, but we are obviously, we can't talk from a vlog. Sure. So anyways, that's where we are right now. I've been trying to get Babe to go to different places in Portmore, like trying to find places in Portmore that we could go. So as you guys know, we went to Plush, so now we're at 876 Terrace. This is what it looks like inside. Say hey. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. They have like a cute little hold on, a photo place that you can go and take pictures. I follow their Instagram thing, so you can take the pictures and stuff over here. Boy, enough, you see? Yo, me said the boy, enough. Anything with picture, Joel, just enough. Anyways, watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him. People, Joel lives for pictures, okay? Watch him. Watch him. Everything the funny is one. Everything WhatsApp see, everything Instagram story see, everything. Watch him, watch him. Watch him. And in the marks. So before you take off the marks, he left on the marks. Watch him. For shame, man. So this is the menu. So yeah guys, that's the menu. I want the drink menu, come on, want something to drink. Yeah, I got talk about, oh, we don't really want to drink. Like, speak for yourself, brother. Speak for yourself, bro. Bro God, speak for yourself. You want me to drink alcohol? Yo, people that cheer you, every your frig.
Oh, that's like the juice, they might just decide. The juice different.
So hey guys, gonna check out and see what I want to consume, even though I kind of have an idea, but I'm gonna see if there's anything else so that I can see the menu bigger. So, but I'm excited about.
Hey, I'm going to rice and peas. I want to take a picture.
So guys,
no, not sauce.
they don't have anything. There's 2 options for drinks from the entire bar, okay? Pina colada and daiquiri. What? It's $4.26 and I still can't order because I don't know what the fuck I want. Because they don't have anything. They don't have pork. They don't have nachos. They don't have... And it's like they're telling me what to eat, and like that's not what I want. I don't want pasta. You're not come up place and come eat pasta. And you can't get pasta by yourself. We can't let something on your yard. We can't come here and suck up big restaurant and all of them something we can't cook on my yard. They look like idiot. They don't got me. Alright, later. Copyright. Thank you. Can't go wrong with a strawberry daiquiri. It's my favorite drink of all time. All time. Give me good. swear it was nighttime. But we are out.
Anytime you make them sound, them start freaking out. Cause yo, come like the thing just take a soda more time.
What, the vomit?
Yeah, and the
or the sickness, yeah. Woo!
I can't sleep, people.
Anyways. I didn't really like my quesadilla. I didn't really like the quesadilla, guys. The macaroni and cheese was popping.
Yeah.
But the quesadilla, never loved that. But yeah, we are go home now. And yeah, so if there's anything else interesting, I will let you know. If not, I won't let you know. So
yeah, we're gonna do something, yeah. We don't know why yet.
Joel doesn't want to do anything, you guys, so we're probably not doing anything.
I just tell you, say, yo, you know, say, look, me even make videos for this time. I'm new to the vlog here.
So this is where we are. This is Portmore.
City.
This is Portmore. Yeah?
Terrace.
Anyways, y'all. Nothing else to see here. Later. Anyways, guys, I feel my coming down, so I'm just gonna make this really quick. I'm going to take a test. As I've mentioned on here, I have not been feeling well for the last few weeks, and just to cancel out anything, because people man I walk around the place and I talk about I'm sure, and I'm just like minuting some. My God is an awesome God, and he knows I do not want to be alone during this process, so I feel like he's going to grant me my wishes. However, if anything is to occur, we will just count our blessings. And yeah, but I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, literally, I cannot believe I'm doing this. I'm nervous because, like, what if it's positive? I don't feel like it is going to be. Babe is like 100%, well, 90%, I'm gonna say. But this is the test that we got from the pharmacy. Y'all don't mind my nails, I'm gonna take them off. So yeah, it comes with like a little, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, so it comes with like this little thing. I have to put my pee in there and then squeeze it on the test. So I'm gonna do what I'm doing, and yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, be right back. I'm shitting.
Oh, we gotta just freeze.
A false alarm bell. I can't tinkle. So. Oh wait. Can you wait?
I'm excited.
I can't even pee. Oh, I think this is enough. If this is enough. Babe, come here. All if I know you're excited, you can come now. Hold this. Hold this. Oh, wait. I think there's more. Okay, I don't really want to be on camera like that. Come on.
Oh.
The piss me dog.
Oh. Everything I want to have for lunch. More than enough, bro.
What do you OMG. All my days and all my nights.
Positive.
Are you on my pony?
No, that. Why am I that explosive preference?
I'm hot.
You feel hot?
Yeah.
I'm nervous. Can't go the time cool and I heard of it. Oh, if you drop and you drop it on that.
Okay guys, here goes nothing.
Put all it up more because I want to show you body. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man.
I saw?
Without them saying enough for this.
So we wait 3 minutes. I'm nervous.
Why?
I'm actually a little bit nervous.
3 minutes again.
Are you dumb? Go get your phone, see what time is it.
No, I'm gonna get my phone and have this.
Oh! Something's coming up! Anyways.
That's a positive?
Okay. I don't know! Okay, just leave it here. Go on, move, move, move! There goes the rest of the pee. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So guys, negative. Oh my god, yes, because like the unknown was like killing me, but like I was sick. Like my boo, like babe was every day research, like you have this, you have that, like this is not normal, like this is not normal, like, you know. So yeah, but like yeah, I just feel like as much as we want to be parents, like it's just not the time. Like, not that we don't want to have kids. Yeah, so like it's not that we don't want to be parents, it's just the timing. You know what I'm saying? Not that we're practicing safe sex or anything like that. I mean, but we're married, we're fully licensed, we don't need them someday. You know what I'm saying? If it happen, but it's just not a part of the plan yet. Yo. You have anything to say?
No, I'm gonna say.
Are you a little bit disappointed? A little bit? Which I figured you would be, but me on the other hand, I'm just, hey, yeah girl, I was not going to Canada with no extra baggage. Good. Oh god. Anyways, let me go dash over piece. Okay. Don't do that because you're gonna make me feel away.
Why? I'm feeling away. A spice.
Don't do that. You're gonna make me feel away, like say.
Why?
Like say, yeah.
That's why.
Who knows, guys? I guess my period will be here soon. Hopefully my period will be here soon because my period was supposed to be here on Monday. It's Thursday. I have not seen it. No signs. Well, We did see a little sign the other night, but nothing ever come from that. So I was just like, bro. So when I woke up today, I was like, all right, I'm gonna get the pregnancy test and do this because I don't know where my period is. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, that's my morning. Y'all ain't gonna be aunties and uncles just yet, but soon Zoa will be here. I don't know. I feel like, who knows? Next year might be great.
No, man. Who knows what can happen? When COVID breathes.
That's true too. Anyways, guys, enough long talking. I'm gonna go take a nap.
This situation is getting out of control.
But weird though, man, kind of.
Just want to go outside for a minute.
Show me back again.
I'm not gonna stop here about this for the rest of the
Why?
day.
Just want to be alone.
He's disappointed, you guys.
Weird though, man, time them something else there was some piss going on, they could do a pregnant.
He's very disappointed, you guys.
Really? It's not even a disappointment, it's just that.
You would have been excited for your Zahir Janelle tingling.
Yeah, mate. Tell the people that me on it.
Yeah, tell nobody nothing. Tell them, oh yeah, stress me out. How that you tell them?
Yeah, stress out yourself. If you have an opinion, people, how is that stressful?
No, but I don't do that to you when I'm in here.
Yeah. Jerk fry like I'm frying, yeah? Big chef.
Really not. Soon come out here, people and let him in here.
The sauce kind of. Tomato sauce too.
Is it spicy or mild? Okay.
Mild, I'm about me pick it. But you know the walkers with one, but I prefer the spicy than the mild still.
I don't buy jerk.
I'm gonna go over them if you go look for it, the walkers with one.
I don't buy jerk.
A good thing this all I know. But me not for your first trying. It
wasn't bad. The fish tastes good.
Yeah, it's not bad to try. Yeah, people, they make a fish fair. I'm gonna see it on my channel. It smells good. You can smell it, friends. I'm gonna see it there. Oh, I really look. They're bleeding. Top shit. Who like me, bro? Yes.
Long